Welcome to the property launch video for 226 Sprotbrough Road, which will be launching on Saturday the 27th of January. Entering the property through a front-facing door, you are greeted with a staircase to the first floor. Follow the hallway ahead and you come to the downstairs WC. To the right, you walk into the large lounge diner. Full-size UPVC windows allow plenty of light into the lounge and gives a bright, airy feel. A floor-to-ceiling stone TV surround gives a focal point and adds a modern feel to the lounge. A good-sized dining room leads out to a white conservatory. The kitchen has a contemporary feel and features acrylic effect cabinets and base units topped with a granite work surface. Built-in appliances, including a stainless steel electric oven, gas hob and a matching extractor, complement the red and white splashback. To the first floor is the family bathroom, which includes a contemporary three-piece suite in white as well as a corner shower. Also on the first floor is bedroom 2, 3 and 4. 2 and 3 are both good-sized double rooms featuring white UPVC windows. Bedroom 4 is currently being used as an office, however would be perfect for a single bed. Moving to the second floor, we are in for a real treat as the master bedroom is truly impressive. Fitted wardrobes either side of a central bed gives a level of symmetry rarely seen in a bedroom. Each side of the room is home to large skylights, allowing light to bounce around the space. The ensuite also boasts a contemporary three-piece suite which includes a designer bathtub. To the front of the property is a small, well-maintained lawn with a stone path leading to a single garage. There is side access to the rear of the property where you will find a good-sized lawn and 2 patio areas, one for the barbecue and one for a table set ready for those lazy summer evenings. For the children, there is a soft play area where they can play without fear of hurting themselves, making this home perfect for a young family. Call the Preston Doncaster office now to secure your place for the property launch.